In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can hide player name tags here in Minecraft Java Edition. Before we dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more Minecraft content just like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But if you want to hide those player name tags, the first thing you're going to want to do is pause the game and make sure that commands are enabled. If they aren't, essentially just hit open world to LAN and then hit start LAN world just like so. And now all you need to do is hit dash to open up your chat and type in team add hide and then press enter. And after doing so, type dash team modify hide name tag visibility and then set that to never and hit enter. Next, add yourself or any player you want hidden. Do /team join hide and then do the player name. But first, go ahead and put it in like this, just like so. And then you could add yourself. So I could do something like BOZ Gaming. Hit enter and boom, just like that, their name tags are now going to be invisible. You can keep adding players to the same team anytime, and this is going to be perfect for recording videos, secret builds, or stealth games. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.